Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Following that, tap on Face and enter your current login method. Now you need to choose Start Enrollment at the bottom. Keep your face in frame, wait for 100% mark, and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you're done, select OK. Then adjust all of those options however you want to. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!